In this video, how to download Keystrokes. Launch a web browser such as Google Chrome. In the search bar, type Keystrokes download and press enter. Look for official websites. Always try to download software from the official developer's website or trusted software repositories to avoid potential security risks. Look for a download link or button on the website. Click on it to begin the download process. After the download is complete, locate the downloaded file and double-click Users folder to open. And go to Download folder. Go to Compressed folder. Double-click to open it. Click on Extract to option. A new window will appear. Select Desktop and press OK. You find the extracted files and folders on your desktop. Run the downloaded installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install Keystrokes on your Windows computer. Please subscribe to my channel for more video